Quick note before this video starts. This video was made in June 2020 and I got lazy and didn't edit it. Check out my last video for a full channel update and what the shop looks like right now. Other than that, let's get to the video. The main attraction we're doing this week is working on the tool wall. You can see I got the beams or studs, however you want to call it, all marked out. And we're gonna rework on the tool wall. And I got some plywood, 3 sheets of plywood for free. Someone's throwing them out, and I think that's pretty sweet. So I don't got to buy any wood. So yeah, main thing we're doing is the tool wall, because this place needs a tool wall. I also got some linkable LED lamps for the shop. They come with little plugs, you can link them together on off switch. Comes with 4 in a pack. Got these off Amazon. They were $54. Comes with 4. It comes with everything to install them. You got a chain option and a flat option, which you just screw into the wall. Pretty sweet for $50. And as you can see, these things are bright. Very bright. Here I'm putting the tool wall together with my brother, you just saw. And I'm not really sure why the heck I'm so sweaty. Like, did I run a marathon? Okay. I got the first light on. These are pretty bright. These are really cheap lights, and it already fills up this whole entire space. That's actually really good. Installing them were pretty easy. I used the flush mount because I don't want to deal with chains, like I said earlier in the video, but pretty good. Now I'm setting up the tool wall. The left side is going to be like non-bite tools, like regular tools. And the other side is going to be bike tools. I just realized something. Turns out, I don't got a lot of tools. So this tool wall is gonna kind of look a bit empty. So it looks like I'm gonna have to buy some tools to make it at least, more tools to make it at least look a decent tool wall, but I only buy tools when I need them. So it's probably gonna look a little empty for a while. Maybe put some signage somewhere in the middle to make it interesting, not just blank. So yeah. So I built this first mount for all the Allen keys, because it came in a plastic set like this, which doesn't really work for hooking. And plus I wanted it to look pretty cool. This is going to be upgraded soon because, well, not all of them fit perfectly. So I might get like some Harbor Free T handles or some Park tool maybe. We'll see. Right here you can see me putting together the tool wall. It was actually really easy to do the placement of the tools. Other YouTubers say this is the hardest part, but it was actually really easy for me. All I did was group the tools up on where you use them on the bike. Like pedal wrenches and cassette tools for the drivetrain. I all grouped them up so it would be easier to find them. And cheers to old me, not using a level, but actually it was level. How is that possible? It looks so quicker on camera. I got the bike tool wall done, but it's nighttime. It's 9:39, so I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to do like the homeowner tools, like drills, electric power tools, all that stuff. So yeah, here I am, done it so far. I thought I had a lot of tools, but this isn't really a lot of tools. But surprisingly, these are the only tools I actually use, except for this tool right here, the free hub removal. Probably never used this in my life ever. So yep, that's all I have.
Right here in the video, I'm restoring this old vise I bought used. And I should have really just bought in a new vise. I shouldn't have taken all this time for a crappy vise.
So I just got done painting the primer on first. And we're gonna put these things black. The vice black. I'm still gonna have to find a way to fix the bolt adapter on the vice, but I think JB Weld might do that. It's day 2, and I'm installing the vice with these lag bolts. I bought this thing used. It was pretty messed up. It came with one bolt missing, but the guy said you can just use a bolt and washer. I don't know if I got my money's worth, but it's made handmade in USA, which is pretty good. But this is bent, but it'll work. I might get a new one if this one breaks somehow. So yep. So this thing right here doesn't really fit with the washer. It'll slip off. So I'm gonna grind it a little bit. That's a flat. So here it is. It's not coming off. It's staying on there. So yeah, that worked. I got these tool wall mounts from Dollar Tree. It comes with 5 and it comes with screws and stuff to mount them. And they work perfectly for the grinder. It hooks on like that, right there. And it stays in place. Pretty good. I would hang up these screwdrivers, but as you can see, a dog has been chewing on them. So I'm gonna go buy some new screwdrivers one day and keep them in my shop so they don't get eaten. I found a pretty decent mount for a tape measure. Goes on like that. Pretty decent. Old door. Right, next, I'm making a mount for my circular saw. I got everything cut already. Make it. Every time. We're gonna be making a gear station right here. There won't be like any hydration packs because I don't want it to get mold in them since it's hot in here. So I'm just gonna put helmets and bike locks right here.
Now let's take a look at the shop. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know my editing sucks, and I know it too, and you know it too. We all know it. But it's gonna get better sooner or later, because I'm upgrading. And those of you who didn't watch the last video, basically I'm moving to Ohio, so the shop is not gonna be here for much longer. I'm also planning on making one video a week as well. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.